In the ACET-9, we have 3 different types of experiments. The first 2 are similar in terms of their chains. These chains are made up of what's known as dynabeads, which is a type of particles that have magnetic properties and is readily used in medicine. The idea of the experiments 1 and 2 is to study the folding dynamics, which mimics things on Earth like the 3D folding of proteins, which is very essential and poorly understood in medicine. So if we can understand this kind of dynamics in space where these chains do not sediment, we will be able to understand more things that happen in nature. The chains that we can actually make in the lab are very flexible. You can imagine them as beads being connected by something like a spring, and this gives them very big flexibility. In addition to that, they respond to magnetic fields, and this will allow us to actually control how they move. And we were able in our lab to show that these chains can wrap around stuff and lead to their transportation, which is very promising because it can eventually lead to us being able to control things in the bloodstream, where if we have a clot, it's possible that we can go have something that can wrap it and then we can transport it out of the body safely.